How to turn off blue light on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once you are in the Settings app, you need to scroll down and find the Display and Brightness option. Tap on it. In this section, you'll see an option for night shift. Tap on it. In the night shift section, you'll see two options, manual and scheduled. Tap on scheduled to turn it on. Once you have turned on scheduled, you can adjust the color temperature. Drag the slider to the left to make the screen warmer and reduce the amount of blue light. Drag the slider to the right to make the screen cooler and increase the amount of blue light. You can also set a schedule for night shift to turn on automatically. Tap on From to and set the times you want night shift to turn on and off. Tap on From to option and set the times you want night shift to turn on and off. This will ensure that your iPhone automatically reduces blue light during the evening and nighttime hours. That's it. Those are the steps to turn off blue light on your iPhone. Remember, blue light can interfere with your sleep cycle and cause eye strain, headache, and fatigue. So it's important to turn it off, especially during the evening and nighttime hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.